Hey everyone, Denise here from Sewlimitless, and in today's video I'm going to do a little book review of a book that I had just recently received, and it's about altering. So let's get started. First of all, welcome back to the channel. My name is Denise if you're new here. One of the things that I honestly do not do a lot of is alterations. And it's kind of funny because I have people in my family, like my grandmother and an aunt, who that is one of the things that they did pretty much their entire lives professionally. They did alterations, and they did it actually for men's clothing. I don't do that. Never have. So one of the books that I saw recently that I purchased is called Simple Tailoring and Alterations. And it's by J. Francois Campbell. It's this book here. And I purchased it because learning how to alter clothes properly is something that I've wanted to learn how to do. And I really don't. I mean, if I really need to figure something out, I'll figure it out. But the fact that it says simple, that was for me. So I purchased this on Amazon, and it does seem to have a lot of really good information in here. The woman who wrote the book is a costumer, I believe. She does costumes and alterations and all of that, that type of work in Great Britain. So this is a very good book. It also includes men's and women's alterations, which I also thought was very interesting because sometimes I need to alter my husband's shirt or something like that. And this will go through the proper steps in how to do it. And it is actually an uncomplicated way of going about alterations. These are the types of drawings that are in the book. And I just thought it was really very interesting and seems to be fairly inclusive in the types of garments that you can get information about. It also has a section on what equipment that you need to do proper alterations, which is important, and also has a section on the types of hand stitches and how to do it. It's like a little drawings on how to do the proper hand stitches when you are doing alterations, because not everything can be done on the machine as much as we might want it to be that way. To really do things properly, especially it goes into tailoring as well and altering tailored garments. So those are the types of things where you really are going to get into all of that specialized hand stitching. And it tells you in the book how to do those stitches and when you would need to use them, that kind of thing. But I thought this was pretty comprehensive, and it even tells you how to alter ties. So things like that I thought were very good. So if you are interested in learning how to do alterations, or maybe you just need a refresher, but I will leave you a link down below. If you have any questions or comments about this, or anything that you've seen in this video, please let me know. I thank you all for watching. Please go ahead, hit like, subscribe to my channel. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.